Integrative motivation. Language acquisition or language learning, both is based on some kind of motivation. Integrative motivation, defined as the desire to be like valued members of the community that speak the second language, is predicted to relate to proficiency in terms of the two functions. So for a speaker who is not knowing L2, who is a stranger to the second language, would be considering the community or the culture of the people who are speaking L2 or the second language to be valued. It is just the same as when we have something of our own, we take it for granted. So L1 already the person knows. L2 is something valued because it is something that the person does not know. And in order to integrate into the culture or the community or the society of the people who are speaking L2 or the second language, the speaker wants to be a part of the same culture and the same community. Therefore, he starts valuing that language because for him that is the only way to integrate in that community if he knows the language. If he knows the language, then he will be sharing the common interests of the community that is speaking the second language. So this is one big motivation for him to speak and learn the language in order to integrate into the group, to be a part of the culture, to be a part of the community that is speaking the second language. He will not be able to integrate until and unless he knows the language. Only then he will become friendly to people, convey his messages and express his emotions by the language they are using, which is a second language for him. The presence of integrative motivation should encourage the acquirer to interact with speakers of the second language out of sheer interest and thereby obtain intake. So how will the output and the input will be interacting with one another, and therefore there will be some kind of a relationship developing there. So the person will learn the second language in order to be a part of the group, and then he will be able to converse and express opinions and also express his emotions, give his point of view, and then it will be taken by the society or the members of the group who are speaking the second language. Therefore, it will become a common interest between the two, and then they will be able to be friendly to one another and know each other and share common interests. So that is one way how people are attracted towards learning of the second language, because it is a motivation to be a part of the society, a part of the culture, to integrate with the members of the society, to become friendly with them, to have a communication with them in order to know each other and to make your place in the society. One is motivated to learn the language of that community, and that language for him is acquired through this motivation of being integrated and is called the second language acquisition.